What's poppin', ladies and gentlemen? Live out of the garage. So, now, the thing is, what we are dealing with is this black plastic bumper. Now, the thing is that I bought paint for it. For a lot of money. But we don't do it on the normal way, like with a spray gun and blah blah. Spray can again. Maybe you can remember I tried it on the Kia back in the days on the sidewall and it looks completely shit. But now, I mean, it's a bumper and it's new. No scratches and nothing, no damage. So it should work, yeah, really good. I watched a lot of tutorials on the internet, on YouTube. So I think we'll get it. So today is Monday and I'm gonna sand it a little bit, then put where is it? Put this thing on it. It's for plastic, like a plastic primer, but it's colorless. And then I have somewhere here a normal primer, gray, and then red on it, like the car, and clear coat. But first of all the plastic primer, then the normal primer, and I will let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'm gonna sand it a little bit and put the red on it and then the clear coat. So tomorrow it should be ready. So now the primer is on and now I'm waiting and I put a primer filler on it. So the primer is on. I will let it dry until tomorrow. I'm gonna sand it down and put the color on it. It looks pretty okay, but it definitely needs a sanding. So I will let it dry. See you tomorrow. So ladies and gentlemen, next day, now it's time to sanding the bumper down and put color on it. To be honest, I hate sanding, but it's necessary now, so let's go. 1000 grit wet. After sanding the whole thing down, now I'm going to cover it with the first layer red. red is on. It looks cool. I'm okay with it. And now it's time for clear coat. So, ladies and gentlemen, I did a second layer, a second attempt on it, because the last time it was really dirty, but I sent it again like before and did it new one. Now it's less dirty but much more clear coat on it. It's not beautiful, I know, but to be honest, I don't care. It should be red and it's red. It's time to assemble Jenny. Bumper is back. And I have the new grills here, down there, and somewhere in the trunk. So let's go. We are on the first grill. Now we cut all and glued it, because we don't have other type of glue to use it. So now we are waiting to dry out, and now we are mounting the fog lights and under the grill. So we are gonna let it dry until tomorrow, because the gaps here and the mounting points are not the best. So we are gonna let it dry and continue it tomorrow. The last clip of this video. As you can see, Jenny is finished. Looks much better than before. The new grill is also here with the carbon look. This looks really sick. And these are into. The fitting is not the best. You can see here is a gap, but this is glass fiber. So yeah, it is what it is. And it's not painted, but I only saw it when I opened the package. So yeah, it's black, so I don't care. So, and now I'm here because I need to clean my window because I splashed coffee in the car. And it's Tuesday, and on Friday we are going to Budapest, Hungary, to the Amtes, and I'm prepared a car now a little bit. Probably this is it. I'm really happy how the front of the car came out. It's really sick. And we are going to continue with the bent fender, but not now because we have obviously no time for it. So yeah, it's sunny outside, the spring is here, the season is starting slowly, so yeah. Probably this is it for this video. I'm gonna see you at the weekend when we are going to Budapest, and just stay tuned, take care, and see you in the next one. Bye. Calling out your name.